Hello and welcome to I Nurture videos. In this video, we are going to discuss the operations on Q. After completing this video, you students will be able to explain the operations on Q. Operations on Q. Similar to the operations performed on stacks, all such operations can be performed on queues too. The basic operations involve insertion (NQ) and deletion (DQ). The other supporting functions involved are Qfull and Qempty. While performing DQ's operations, the data is accessed from front pointer, and while performing NQ operation, data is accessed from rear pointer. Insertion. Insertion in Q is also called as NQ operation. The steps to be followed are: 1. Check if Q is full. 2. If Q is full, display an overflow error and exit. 3. If Q is not full, increment rear pointer to point next empty array space. 4. Add data element to the Q location where rear is pointing. 5. Return success. Deletion in Q. Deletion operation from the Q is also called as DQ operation. The steps to be followed are: 1. Check if Q is empty. 2. If Q is empty, display an overflow error and exit. 3. If Q is not empty, access data where front is pointing. 4. Increment front pointer to point next available data element. 5. Return success. Qempty operation. In order to delete an element from the Q, first check whether Q is empty or not. If Q is empty, then do not delete an element from the Q. This condition is known as underflow. If Q is not underflow, then we can delete the element from the Q. After deleting element from Q, we must update the values of rear and front as per the position of elements in the Q. Qfull operation. Since we are using single dimensional array of implementation of Q, the best way to know if Q is full or not is to check if rear pointer has reached max size 1, which means no space is available in array for additional elements and hence Q is full. Display operation. Display operation Q can be displayed by simply moving rear pointer till it reaches the front pointer. Only condition that should be considered is the Qempty condition and display Qempty message accordingly. The operations on Q are insertion, deletion, Qempty, Qfull and display operation. Thank you for watching.